one of the most significant single operation arrests of foreign nationals in recent NIMA's enforcement history. At approximately 8:20 on Saturday, April 18, the NIMA's task force launched a surprise intelligence-led operation on the illegal mining site. A Chinese national was initially apprehended at the site in the early hours of the morning. The task force directed the suspect to lead them to his residence, which was their hideout, a move that proved decisive as the search that followed led to the arrest of the remaining 5 Chinese nationals, all involved in the illegal enterprise.
But Bra Kwaku was somebody, Kwaku naturally is somebody who cares. Or be free, mommy net is saying, we okay, and I don't say, yeah, so on all day, from time to time, he will call to check up on me, or me what to say, and then call. And say on whom he was screen soon in Yama. And then one time he met me around Baulishina. I was shopping, and at the time I was pregnant, so I didn't no be back tap him. So when I attend, it was him. I say, hey, says why I bro, my minute is saying, hey, who watch him? Me who say, Ujina hana me jina ese me babe chia na misio pacha me hoye. And you see, it went on and on and on and on. And then mostly no me who Bra Kwaku anade me bena. That is me going to serve them ABA the banawa order for the crew members no. So one time he just decided, oh, I have a story that I want to shoot with you.
Okay.
I'm so okay. So when I listened to it, I said, oh, it's a good one. Let's just try it. And then that was it.
Until you ko serve aduane.
Yeah.
It was set.
Yeah.
And okaso or story bi kra and I say
And yes, I don't know what's set.
And yes, I don't know.
And yes, I don't know. I mean, I make set, that. Sometimes I will even meet Sugar Titi, I'll meet Harriet, like the whole crew, baby. Even the brother, yes, is your own auntie Ghana, no. Yeah, so sometimes I won't put no baby feed, but be a master and make a deliver. So it was just like that. And then he asked the Jumani Majayana because he realized I wasn't filming anymore. And I miss you, Minjay, but Seba may and also okay. Then he has a story he wants us to shoot, which is the love bondage, and then we started from there. But before that, no, started short skits be a naicha. I'm sure people don't notice me because I had a different hairstyle.
Okay.
I had a long hair and mostly na meshe. The meantime na me wigs, but like meshe wigs. Sisi and master samai in Pixie, which is my my signature. No? So basically, yeah.
Okay. And today I say, "Unim Kwaku Manu na or yire or nene yire or hot tamana or nene yire ina no nim no."
Menshada na nye too personal them.
No, but what I mean is, you've been nice to each other for a long time.
Yeah.
And to mean is tama wu nene ye fine crowd no worries. Ana me patch.
Yeah, I knew he was married.
Okay. And to say then one no chimpene.
Pacho say.
Then as I say, one no chimpena. One Kwaku Manu chimpena. Because you were friends. My Adam for our course of Wodiane. Would you see now call baby? Then after the Adam and Panachi.
Nana Pacho and Chimpena.
Chimpena.
Pacho Debbie. Bra Kwaku, a boss.
Okay.
And I want to set this straight. And Yebeka the womb. Yeka oni power boamia. Especially to shoot to fame, Bra Kwaku, I'll rate him number 1. Because wabwa me pa sebio enye ejuma oni michichaya anka ebi anka Ghana fo bebre na enhye da enim anka mbeti Charlie de oni mane so oton aduane but sesi ano enamo no susu no nipa ababe home. I respect him so much for that, but me pa much sure Nana, you're in the industry. You know how it is. And you want to only in person. I don't know why you say.
Oh, maybe I say me different.
Only in person. Only say me donipa. Now, Bra Kwaku, meneno en chimpena. Yen chimpena da. Ombe pe me da. Ena menso so men kopene da. eye juma ena yeye. Me as an actress, the opa mami role has to see me actia mana yon. Because if you're an actress and you're not able to play a role very well there, then who are you? So what we did, another movie saying with the channel, it is just we doing our best. And maybe because we've known ourselves for a very long time, that rapport, no, is like it makes it easy. On your day, obia Manisha the first time was set to that a fair nazi no. You know him. So when you're playing it, you go all out. It's not like because there's something no pocho. There's nothing. So please, Sabio Sabefa boya na minya boya. Memba na memfa mbe to social media na mfifia no na de no. Say connect love bondage on YouTube, you will understand because everything is there. Everything you saw on TikTok trending, everything you saw on Instagram, social media baby and all trending, it is part of the movie. People just decided, some bloggers, just decided to cut parts or be favor for when they post to trend, and then they did that. But Kwaku is someone I really respect as my boss and a big brother. He's really helped me, and then I'm grateful. But there's nothing.
And not just a mona mobana basa because mo film Manu do. I say my ama say mutu Kwaku Dubai na say asem se muku Dubai. They were mobe hage mo hona. It looks so sensual. Don't you think say mo na mama na basa?
Okay.
A movie, we see it. You see, movie mudono. You know, you movie enim. Modiano. I said, like I said, it looks very natural.
That is because we are both good actors. Nana.
Ofenano.
Dia uhu ye biano. Eye scenes. And I can prove that to you. Call YouTube. Call type love bondage. Ewo KMTV. Nana. Woo chasini. That's a story, a love bondage. How are you proving to the people who say, yeah, this is what we are talking about? And in the movie, we were couple. Yawar mikuninyan. An issue came. I drove him out of the house, and then I later went to beg him to come back. Wababakano. My father now decided that, wababakidi, let me just let you guys go on a trip. And to trip, like we have to show that this is what it looks in real life. We don't have to fake it. It is just we doing the job. That's it. And we're both good actors. He's a great actor. And I know.
Don't you think, sir, this rumor about you and Kwaku Manu will have an effect on your next relationship, if not your current relationship?
He understands. The one I'm with, he understands. I'm in a relationship.
And he's very cool with whatever is going on.
Sometimes he might be cool, but ebiana sometimes I rumors no mesa obi be can mesa wonyankon be kan sem no na wo girl na them. But if only the person understands what you're doing, he won't have a problem with you. And my man understands what I'm doing.
Where the Kwaku Manu fanchemi. You be a 7 American. Me who comment be. Nipa ne say, I'm so disappointed in this lady. Oba kama say pa na Kwaku Manu dey live. Say ya nipa ne choro yo. And I'm saying hu ba so. O say na guy we dey say the guy see gina ya say fire o just so ya ex. Enti nipa no choro and I'm say the guy we is doesn't mean it and our kind keke. Kwaku Manu dey looking at where you are coming from. Your past, relationships are not dignity only na nantipen. Na eninti ye compare sa nipano to Kwaku Manu.
But many Kwaku no, it's just work related.
One day be your sorry who say Kwaku Manu worry Chalia. Ensi. Ona woka say
ensi. Because I know nipana menene ohono nya na adwene so jame, and he's serious about me.
Timbo so afema no sa I will love bondage no.
Debbie says I love bondage ye chewi. Na Mabel, we have others so I play the role of sister. Why don't people talk about that one?
Say no send them can say we no man no look very sensual.
It's just because they be kiss na zibe.
Dubai no I no kwa mo kweden. Because one na ko Dubai.
Yen caught together.
Sir.
Yenko together. We've been to Dubai. Together, I think twice. And
but could be me who more desert and so.
Okay. And we actually went in a group.
Okay.
Enya yepe